Welcome to this hair sectioning tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of sectioning wet hair into 4 quadrants while using a wide tooth comb. Proper sectioning will help you manage your hair effectively and achieve better styling results. Let's get started. Start with hair that is shampooed with rice water shampoo and conditioner and towel dried to remove excess moisture. Ensure you have a wide tooth comb and alligator clips. Begin by using the wide tooth comb to create a vertical parting at the center of your forehead, stopping at the apex. Detangle the hair from ends to the base. Using the alligator clip to keep the hair out of the way. Comb through the next section to ensure it's free of tangles and evenly distributed. Comb through each section on either side of the parting to ensure they are smooth and free of tangles. Repeat the previous step on the other side, creating another vertical parting halfway between the center parting and the opposite ear. Comb through each section to ensure they are smooth and free of tangles. Congratulations, you have successfully sectioned your wet hair into 4 quadrants while using a wide tooth comb and alligator clips. This technique will help you better manage your hairstyle and ensure even application of products or heat. Remember, practice makes perfect.